Welcome back to Fabs DIY. It's a freezing cold Sunday. It's about 5 degrees Celsius and I'm wearing a coat and I've got the heater on in the background. I don't think it's doing much, to be honest. Today we are going to try and build a scrap wood cart. Now I've got a bunch of scrap wood laying all over the shop and I need to get this organised. I've got some big plans this year for this workshop and I need to start today. I need to get all of this scrap wood organised and out of the way.
So the rough design that I've gone for is something like this. I know, I'm just such a great artist, but in my head it looks something like that. We'll see if I can actually make that look anything like my drawing, but let's give it a go.
So I've obviously got an idea of the style of scrap wood storage unit that I want to create, but I'm not entirely sure on the dimensions. So I thought I'd just take out all of the scrap wood pieces that I've got, well nearly all of it, and figure out how much storage I actually need so I can work out the dimensions of this. So I'm just looking around the shop for pieces of scrap wood to make this scrap wood cart out of, and I think I've identified this. This was an old desk which I made many years ago, and I'm just going to cut this up. So I've given this its first coat of paint. As you can see, it looks much nicer, obviously. So as you can see, I now have some scrap wood storage.